So today we'll be making a chocolate chip almond muffin that will be given away to the frontliners in Lourdes Hospital tomorrow. So join us as we do it. Ngayon, i-introduce ko sa inyo yung ingredients for the muffin.
Okay, so for dry ingredients, so we have here 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And then we have also almonds, although this is optional. This is crushed almonds. And then 1 cup of chocolate chip. So this will be a chocolate chip almond muffin. And then for our wet ingredients, we have here 2 eggs, medium-sized or large. And then 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and then half cup of room temperature butter, half cup of milk. Supposedly this is a whole milk, kaya lang since wala, dapat 2/3 na whole milk, so I tried na lang na 1/2 na fresh milk. And then yogurt. So dapat din to ay sour cream, but since nga walang grocery, so pwedeng alternative yung yogurt. And then half teaspoon liter ng vanilla extract. So those are our ingredients. So lalagyan natin siya into 180 degree Celsius. Okay, so set aside muna natin yung dry ingredients. So let's grab na yung sa wet ingredients. And before that pala, i-roast muna natin to sa oven yung almonds. So, first off, lagay muna natin yung butter. And then, the sugar. So, i-cream muna natin siya. So, using yung mixer. So, kung ayaw yung mag-mixer, pwede naman na i-melt na yung, yung butter. So, since hindi ko na-melt yung butter, gamit na lang tayo ng mixer para i-cream siya. So, let's mix this for about 2 minutes para cream na cream siya talaga. So let's move on now to another ingredient or wet ingredient. So the milk, the half cup milk. So let's mix this first. And then the egg. And the yogurt. And then half teaspoon of vanilla extract. So this is salt. This is one. So let's just mix all this. So once na mixed up na yung wet ingredients natin, ihalo na natin yung dry ingredients natin. So first off is yung mixture ng flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. So, once na nakahalo na yung dry ingredients sa wet ingredients, let's just mix this until mawala yung flour. So, as much as possible, hindi natin siya ma-overmix. So, once na nakaset na yung butter natin, I used a ice cream scoop para ilagay siya dito sa mga cupcake liners natin. So, like for this one. So now let's put it in the oven, and that is already preheated for around 180 degrees Celsius. Tapos, i-bake natin siya for about 15 to 20 minutes.
So, ito na yung final product natin. So, let's just get one and give it a try. So, masarap pa siya habang mainit. So, this one. There. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!